Hi everyone, welcome to May Ho Primary Maths Problems. I am May. In this channel, we try to solve primary school maths questions. If you find the video useful, you could sign with a Gmail account to give me a like, share, and subscribe. Dear subscribers, thank you for your support to this channel. It has been a great motivation and encouragement. To do well in maths, we need to understand the basic concepts and practice with the appropriate guidance. If you would like me to help solve any maths question, you could email the question to me. The email address is found below the video. Let's look at the question. P6 percentage with extra and remainder 2020 P6 Singapore Chinese Girls School SA2 Paper 2 Question 12. Let's read the question. A bag of kiwis was shared among 3 children, Xavier, Yenny and Zara. Xavier received 40% of the kiwis plus 2 more. Yenny received 50% of the remainder plus 8 more. If Zara received 54 kiwis, how many kiwis were in the bag at first? Let's look at the keywords. 3 children, Xavier, Yenny and Zara. Xavier received 40% of the kiwis plus 2 more. Yenny received 50% of the remainder plus 8 more. Zara received 54 kiwis. The question is, how many kiwis were in the bag at first? How would you solve this question? If you want, you can pause the video and try the question first. Let's study the question and write down the information. Here is a reminder. Whenever we work on questions involving percentage, the one whole is actually equals to 100%, which is actually means the total. So let's look at this question now. The second statement says that Xavier received 40% of the kiwis plus 2 more, right? So let's put in the information. So Xavier's number of kiwis will be 40% plus 2. Let's look at the next statement. Yenny received 50% of the remainder plus 8 more. Now, as you know that in this statement, there is a remainder. That means we need to work out the remainder first. So let's work out the remainder. That means we need to take 100%, subtract 40%, subtract 2. Now, in this case, why must we subtract 2? Because in Xavier's number of kiwis, we have included 2 more. So now that we have found the remainder, let's work out Yenny's number of kiwis now. So as we know that Yenny received 50% of the remainder plus 8 more, right? The 50% can be written as half. So that means we'll have half of 60%, subtract 2 in bracket, right? And then plus 8. So now let's simplify this number equation. Half of 60% will be 30%. Half of 2 will be 1. So that means it will work out to 30% minus 1 plus 8. So let's simplify further. That means it will be 30% plus 7. Next, we also know that Zara received 54 kiwis. So let's put it down. And the bag of kiwis is actually 100%, right? So in this case, by adding all their kiwis together, it should be equal to 100%. So let's put the information down. That means 40% plus 2 plus 30% plus 7 plus 54 must be equals to 100%. So let's simplify this number equation. We will put all the percentage together and all the numbers together. So that means now we will have 70% plus 63 equals to 100%. Then we take 100%, subtract 70% should be equal to 63. So that means 30% equals to 63. From here we can work out 10% now. So that will be 63 divided by 3 equals to 21. As we know that we're supposed to find the bag of kiwis at first. So as you know that it's 100%, right? So that means we can simply take 10 multiplied by 21 equals to 210. Have you got the answer correct? If you have done so, great. If you haven't, it's okay. I hope you have understood and learned how to solve this question now. Please stay tuned in this channel to learn solving another question. If you find today's video useful, please give me a like, share, and subscribe. You'll be notified once a new video is uploaded, so do remember to subscribe. Please take care and see you in the next video. Bye.